Keep still, Mr. KMF. You know Alexis didn't mean to. Relax. Keep your cool. Don't be a fool. Uh-oh. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, darn it. Alexis Pinero, how dare you cut ties on me just because I did these things? You should know bubblegum blowing content is 100% family friendly, and it doesn't count as anything inappropriate. And you should also know Boy Show Films, my best buddy, and his gun is 100% family friendly too. And you know making call-out posts against me is against the rules. And I don't know if this is a late April Fool's prank or not. So Alexis, please do not cut ties on me, or I won't be friends with you again. You bottom right.
Tantrum is coming on.
No, damn it, kind master family, realize what you have done is unacceptable. No, the volume blowing content is not 100% family friendly. The volume blowing content is 100% not true. It's a fetish, and you should realize what you did as a terrible person. I hope you go to hell for what you did as a terrible person. You fetish.